welcome back to Cooking Friday. Today we're going to be making some Easter cupcakes since it's the 11th of April, and I know what you're thinking. You're probably saying, why don't you do it next week? It's closer to Easter. Well, I can't do it next week because on Friday it's my mum's birthday, so yeah. So I decided to make it this week. Yeah, so this is what you'll need. You'll need just a normal, regular vanilla cupcake mix. You'll need 2/3 of a cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of butter, and you might want to melt it, and 2 eggs. And you just get some patties. I got these paper cupcake holders because they look really cute, so yeah. Alright, let's get mixing. Okay, so first we're going to pour the mix into the mixing bowl. Make sure it all gets out. Then we're going to pop the 2 eggs in. Just give it a bit of a shake first. Okay, now we're going to put our 2/3 of a cup of milk in. I always get them too mixed up. So we've got 1/4 in this, so if you have 1/4 you put 2 of them obviously. 2/3 and then, God, I always get that mixed up. And now we're going to grab a bowl to put the 3 tablespoons of butter in, and then you put it in the microwave. Okay, so once your butter has melted, you can put it in the bowl. And then you can start mixing. Okay, so once your mixture is mixed, you can put your patties in the pans. This is what the paper ones look like. I thought they looked really cute. And yeah. Now I'm going to do something different this time. I've never done this before, but I've seen it been done. Well, I'm going to try and make them even. They probably won't turn out even, but I'm going to try. I'm going to put a tablespoon in every single one. And, you know, keep going and stuff and try and make them even. Probably won't work, but anyways. Okay, so once you've finished putting them in the patties like that, you're going to put them in the oven. So you set your oven at the start to 180 degrees Celsius, and you cook these for 20 to 25 minutes. So set the timer. There we go. Now all we do is have to wait. Once you got them out of the oven, these are what they look like, and I know they look a bit, you know, over the edge like that, but don't panic. You can always cut those bits off, so it will look just as good. Okay, now let's let these cool for about 10 or 5 minutes, and then we'll start the icing. Okay, so once you've let your cupcakes cool for about 5 to 10 minutes, you're going to start the icing. So you're just going to grab the icing mix and put it in a bowl about this size, so you have plenty of room. Give it a bit of a shake. And then you're going to grab a bowl. Just a small one. And you're going to put 4 tablespoons of butter. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds maybe. Oops. Okay, so once the butter is melted completely, you're going to pour it in. Just like that. Then you're going to grab a spoon, or in this case, I'm using a mini spatula just to mix it around. Okay, so once you've finished making the icing, you can put them on the cupcakes. So as you can see, I've cut some of the tops off like that. Yeah. Okay. We'll just start with this one. Okay, so once you've finished icing your cupcakes, now we can start decorating. So what you'll need for the decorating is 5 eggs, just some normal Cadbury ones. Yeah. Okay. Some chocolate sprinkles, some chocolate icing, and some Cake Mate black decorating gel. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab scissors and carefully open some up. Then you might want to grab a knife, or one that's just in here. And then just spread it out. So this is, the brown bit's going to be a basket. And then you're just going to pop an egg on top, just like that. And you're going to open your sprinkles, put a couple in your hand, and just put it on the black bits. I meant the brown bits, sorry. Just like that. So it looks like that. And now for the bunny one. So what you'll need is mini marshmallows and some mixed cashews. And what you're going to do, and obviously the gel. So you're going to open the gel. And, you know, open it. But before you open it, just give it a quick shake, just in case. Okay. And then what you do, you're just going to draw a like that, which it didn't work out very well. You can grab some other gels if you want. So some gels like these. And what you're going to do is, so you're going to grab a mini pink marshmallow. You're just going to pop it in the middle. Finished my cupcakes, and I didn't do the Easter bunny because that didn't work out. So I wrote Easter instead. Yeah, so this is what they look like. Thank you for watching Cooking Friday. Bye, see you next week.